Today, we will bake nut cookies. We will use brandy butter for the filling, and we'll dip the cookies in melted chocolate. You will need flour, butter, walnuts, sugar, brandy, and chocolate. Measure 150 grams of plain flour. Add 50 grams of icing sugar. Add 100 grams of softened butter. Add 100 grams of finely chopped walnuts. Combine the ingredients, making a smooth cookie dough. You will need to leave the dough to rest in the fridge for a few hours, or overnight. You can use a silicone mold, or individual tin molds. Grease the molds lightly with butter. You can use a brush. Press a little bit of dough into each mold. Don't fill the entire mold, as the dough will rise slightly. Make sure that there is some space in the middle, for the filling. Place the molds onto a baking tray. Bake the cookies for 10 to 15 minutes, at 150 degrees Celsius. Tip the cookies out of the molds while they are still warm. Whip 100 grams of softened butter. While whipping the butter, add 3 tablespoons of unrefined sugar, and 3 tablespoons of brandy. Mix in 100 grams of finely chopped walnuts. Use the brandy butter to stick the walnut halves together. Melt 100 grams of chocolate. You could place a bowl in hot water to melt the chocolate. Add a little bit of butter to make the chocolate easier to work with. Dip the wide part of each nut in the melted chocolate. Store the cookies in a cold place. They will taste even better the next day.